Generating a token in Bitbucket is essential for various automated processes, such as CI/CD pipelines or for structured API interactions. Here's a step-by-step guide to generate a Bitbucket app password. Log into Bitbucket. Access Bitbucket. Go to Bitbucket and log in with your credentials. Navigate to Personal Settings. Open your profile. Click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the Bitbucket interface. Select Personal Settings. This option will take you to your account settings. Generate app password. Access app passwords. In the Settings menu, find and click on App Passwords under the Access Management section. Create a new app password. Click the Create App Password button. Configure permissions. Set permissions. In the dialog that appears, give your app password a label. Select the necessary permissions for the tasks you need. Generate the password. Click Create to generate the token. Save the token. Copy and store. Once generated, the app password will be displayed. Copy this password and store it securely, as it will not be shown again. Use the token. Implement in applications. Use the generated token in place of your Bitbucket password for authentication in scripts, applications, or CI/CD configurations.